Dyma Roberts at Mwandwe. Mwandwe llawn triciau a sgiliau ac yn croesi'n dda. Cowens at Mwandwe. Mwandwe'n ergydio, mae yna wiriad, mae yna arbediad da hefyd gan Lang. Mwandwe yn ergydio, ond fe nath hi wirio a Lang yn gwneud yn dda i'w harbed hi. Chubb o flaen Lewis. Chwilio am y bêl at Elliot Evans. Rhediad da gan Baker, cyfle i groesi. Dyma Sam Jones yn rwydo'n gyffwrddus. Y bêl hir lawr ar asgell fe. Croesiad yn berffaith i lwybr Sam Jones. A Jones sydd wedi symud yma o Cambrian yn clydach yn rwydo'i ail gôl yn uwch gyngrau'r Cymru. Met Caerdydd 1, Drenewydd dim. Tafliad gan Williams wedi chymryd yn sydyn. Cowens yn cynnig i hun, bas ymlaen at Rushton. Ysodliad at Cowens. Cowens yn ei lledu ddi bach o le gan Mwandwe fan hyn yn torri tu fewn i Chubb yn ergydio! A Lang yn hedfan trwy'r awyr i ddyrnu'n glir. Eto y perygl yn dod oddi wrth Lifwmpa Mwandwe. Mwandwe yn torri tu fewn i Chubb. Ergydio'n gryf ond Lang yn arbed. Hughes. Williams yn sgrechen amdani llinell o chwaraewyr mewn melyn yn disgwyl y croesiad. Mae'n un sal gan Craig Williams ac mae'n rhwydd i glirio gan Baker. Nôl mae'n dod unwaith eto at y postyn pella. Rushton! O, mae dros ben Lang, mae'n wirthiol ac yna mae Lwfampa Mwandwe yn methu'r targed. Wel, Nick Rushton gafodd y cyfle ar y postyn pella. Dwi'n meddwl bod Alex Lang wedi cael llaw iddi. Ac yna Mwandwe yn rhithro mewn i'r cwrt cosbi. A'i ymdrech yn fflachio heibio'r postyn. Warman yn colli'r bêl. Mae gan Sears at Walker. Heston yn glir yn y canol ar ôl beniad yn cyrraedd Mwandwe. Mwandwe os y gyfle mergyd. Nôl ac Ismael yn croesi'r peniad lawr. A dyma Walker dy postyn pella. Sears yn ennill pwynt i'r Drenewydd gyda'r cic ola. Yn ddramatic yma yn Stadiwm Cyn Coed. Ryan Sears ar y foli, ergyd isiel heibio i Lang. Ac yn yr amser sydd wedi cael ei ganiatáu yma nafiadau ar ddiwedd y gêm. Mae'n mynd i orffen yn gyfartal.
They put probably the bit of quality together in the first half. It scored their goal. It was a good goal from them. Poorly defended from us, obviously. And then you're facing a mountain then because their record here, their record in the last 6 games, I don't think they've conceded many goals at all. And you're thinking, well, where's it going to come from? And you throw your centre half up front in the last kick of the game, and you're a bit desperate really. And then it's just felt to them it's a great finish. And yeah, as we said, our record here isn't great at all. I think last year we drew in the second phase. That was my first point. This is my second point out of about 7 games. So, it's a point that's hard earned, especially when you come away from home.
Christian, following the heartbreak of last week, another late goal robs you of 3 points.
I'm not sure if robbed is the right word to use. I felt that was coming. In fairness to Newtown, they put us under pressure second half, and the late goal, of course, if you concede that late, it feels like a loss, but the boys did well. Maybe a cup hanger for ourselves today, but really important that we got something out of the game, which we did. We scored a fantastic first goal, so I want to look at the positives of that. But if we concede first minute and then score straight after, the draw seems a fair result. It's just the manner for us at the minute. That's that last minute thing that you just don't want to concede, because I thought we were going to ride it out, but we just didn't quite do our jobs right towards the end.
Next week is a big day for the football club. Obviously 1,000 games in the Welsh Premier League, and we'd be missing a couple of players. We'll hopefully have a couple of players back, but it's all set for a really good occasion at Latham Park, and hopefully we can mark it with 3 points.
Your new acquisition, Sam Jones, that's 2 goals in 2 league games. He's fitted in really well.
Yeah, Sam's a really good lad. He's fitted. We've known about Sam for a long time. Sam originally at Cambrai, and then his time at Barry, and then coming back to Cambrai and doing really, really well. We've watched him locally. People we've got up in Pontypridd area, we know the area well. So yeah, we've kept an eye on Sam. He's come in and he's been brilliant. He's already got a nickname of Tuna because he's great in the air, and he just fitted in really well. And again, he scored that second goal. That first goal for us today, but his second, and that's all we can ask of Sam.